Are you not receiving your WhatsApp verification code no matter how many times you try? Internet is fine, but the code just won't arrive. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you the step-by-step solution to fix this problem quickly and easily, so stay with me till the end. First, open WhatsApp, then select your country and enter your phone number in the box below. Then tap the next button here. Then confirm is this correct number. Send verification code my number, but I didn't receive verification code. Then selected missed call and tap on continue. Then receive the call. Now automatically verifying. And successfully verified.